Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you watching till the end, where you get to this bit where I talk and I mess up a lot, and there are going to be some outtakes at the end of this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and give it a share. It helps me out loads. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And while you're here, check out links to my sponsors and my social media pages, which are in the description, where I also have a Patreon if you want to support me and help keep me making more videos. I really appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you on the next one, which should be in 2 weeks. And I'm hoping that I'll be doing more videos in the not too distant future, where I'll be going weekly and sometimes maybe 2 or 3 a week. Thanks everyone. See you on the next one. Watching, please don't icon and hit the like button. Leave me a comment in the description. Don't forget to give it fucking share, and leave me a comment in the fucking description. Give it a fake. No, hit that bell icon. Fuck. I fucking forgot. And keep making fucking fuck. Forget if you're not don't forget. So you're notified of when I fuck. Really, no. Leave me a comment as no fuck, and give it a no. It really helps me. No fucking button and leave no share. Really, anyone wants to help support me keeping making. Subscribe yeah. Give it a like and share. I've already said that. See you on the next video. Next. No.